Wheel bearings are contained inside each wheel hub that the wheel assembly bolts onto. Inside the hub is a spindle that a bearing rides on. The bearing assembly has an inner cone that the roller bearings pivot around, which are held in place by a cage. To operate smoothly and to prevent overheating, bearings are lubricated by grease or oil and are held in by a seal. If the lubricant leaks out, contaminants can get in, such as dirt and debris. These dirt particles stick to the roller bearings and wear them, causing pits inside their surface. Operating your vehicle with worn wheel bearings can cause a humming or clicking noise at various speeds, poor handling, and loose or unresponsive steering.